I think this Ugochinyere is supposed to be the leader of PDP because he's more active. This is not the first time, but this guy, even before he became the House of Rep member, he has been so vocal. And he's the one who has been speaking. All the ones that have been in PDP, all the BB weeks, even Atiku, they can't say nothing. They're just keeping quiet. But this guy is pulling weight behind Fubara, and he's speaking. The Lawmakers Coalition, GCC, have said that the declaration of the seat of the 27 pro-Wike sacked lawmakers remain valid and has not been nullified by any court in Nigeria. The spokesperson of the coalition group of House of Representatives members, known as the GCC lawmakers, Honorable Ikenga Imochinyere, made the declaration while addressing news in Abuja, insisting that the Court of Appeal did not void the declaration of the seat of 27 lawmakers sacked lawmaker. Okay, 27 pro-Wike sacked lawmakers. Reacting to the court ruling, Honorable Ugochinyere stressed that the pro-Wike sacked Rivers lawmakers' seat remained vacant as appeal court didn't even decide on the validity of their illegal decampment nor the declaration of their seat vacant. According to him, the appeal court focused on declaring that the Federal High Court is the only court with the jurisdiction to decide on the legality or illegality of decampment, thereby ruling against Rivers High Court proceedings. He further stressed that the legal fireworks continue as the declaration of the vacant seat is still valid and subject on pending litigation. According to him, the Court of Appeal ruling today shouldn't even be misconstrued in any way. The pro-Wike sacked Rivers lawmaker seat remains vacant as appeal court didn't decide on the validity of their illegal decampment nor the declaration of their seat vacant. Appeal court focused on declaring that the federal government or Federal High Court is the only court with the jurisdiction to decide on the legality or illegality of decampment, thereby ruling against Rivers High Court proceedings. So the actions of the House formerly led by Ehi in declaring the seat vacant have not been declared null and void by any court. Okay, Jumbo remains the Speaker of Rivers State House of Assembly. The legal fireworks continues as the declaration of the vacant seat is still valid and subject of pending litigation. Also, the local government chairman, whose tenure has since expired, remains expired and can't be extended and was never extended. There's nothing like tenure extensions in a democratic sitting. It is like a coup taking over constitutional governance. In retrospect, Justice Charles Wiley of the Rivers State High Court had on Monday, May 10, issued an interim injunction that restrained the sacked lawmakers loyal to the immediate past governor of the state and current minister of FCT from parading themselves as members of the assembly, having decamped from the political party that sponsored their elections. The court order followed a suit that was filed by Honorable Victor Oko Jumbo, who subsequently emerged as the Speaker of the Assembly. The litigants in their suit contended that Amewule and the other defected lawmakers ceased to be members of the Rivers State House of Assembly since December 13, 2023, when their seats were declared vacant. While upholding the case of the plaintiffs, Justice Wali barred the pro-Wike lawmakers from accessing the assembly complex or carrying out any legislative assignment in the name of the Rivers State House of Assembly. However, the appellate court ruling on a suit lodged before it by the former lawmakers who were led by the former Speaker of the Rivers State House of Assembly, Honorable Martin Amewule, on Thursday held that the Rivers State High Court, which issued the order, lacks the requisite jurisdiction to do so. Who does this guy think he is? This Ugochinyere, somebody is asking. He's so much overreaching himself. Imagine stating that the lawmakers remain sacked after court ruling. He wants to deceive his gullible and uneducated fans. Meanwhile, unknown gunmen are ravaging his idiot community and no good roads or potable water, and yet he has failed woefully to present opposition to Uzodinma in Imo State. He wants to dive out on top of Rivers matter. Maybe you don't know Ugochinyere, that's why you are talking like this. Go and ask Uzodima, he go tell you who Ugochinyere be. Nonsense country. Let's appeal, restore them. This is not final judgment. Very good, you're on point. The state high court upheld the law, though authoritatively it is not in our powers, but it is never justify the actions of the former lawmakers. Nonsense coalition, are you sure you are a lawyer? Really? I beg, if not that one go make Nigeria scatter, make a kukuma scatter. After all, APC and Tinubu don kukuma scatter every people life. Does it now mean that the court appeal ruling has nothing to do with the ruling of the lower court that declared the House of Assembly member seat vacant, or what? I think at this point, Governor Sim needs to use his own brain. He may not be a lawyer, but to beware of these deceivers. You are right. It is late. Okay, Lawmakers Coalition GCC. You people are the one that led Governor Fubara to destruction point. So is it a Fubara or this a GCC that told Wike lawmakers to do what, to decamp? I don't understand. Did they not decamp? Is there no affidavit in respect to that? Are we now saying that affidavit is no longer a legal document that can be recognized in court? Okay, can Fubara lawmakers start afresh with the case at the Federal High Court, which have exclusive jurisdiction to entertain the case according to appeal court? Water don't pass Gary, you go to National Assembly for nothing. Okay, come let me educate you, Okun. To start with, which court declare them sacked with authority, and you are standing to make this misleading statement? Who do you think will toe your line of argument? What are you doing in that house with low grade mentality? Look, Mr. Man, respect yourself. Ugochinyere, I think you get sense before not knowing that you are not serious. Honestly, this Ugochinyere is interested in making sure that the problem in Rivers State does not end, so that he can continue cashing out. How can he say that a seat that was declared vacant by a court without jurisdiction according to the court should remain as was declared? Exactly. You are a demon, tribalistic peasant. The man is standing up against what your kinsman couldn't defend. One man is holding all of you to ransom, and you are talking nonsense. Yes, nonsense. So guys, let's say your opinion and have your take on this.